to blow their chances. Now get out of here. Go get some pizza. I had it delivered to yourselves. Was I too hard on them, Chirpy?
Warden sucks.
You rascal. That is good fun.
I hate that warden. Sending us pizzas, covering for us when we screw up. I get it. You're the good guy. I'm the criminal.
But we are in prison.
So is he. So is he.
The worst thing is he's always pushing for our early release. I don't want to go anywhere. Me neither. This place is awesome.
Well, if we pull off this prank at the kickball game, there's no way they'll let us out early. When the warden comes up to kick, we put hornets in the ball.
How can you put hornets on a ball?
We paint this red.
Ooh, can I do the painting?
I don't know, Wes. We let you paint the chair we made for my nephew. It was pretty sloppy work.
How you holding up, Stan?
Oh, it's great in here.
What? But you'll be out soon, right?
Maybe not. Hey, why didn't Steve come?
Steve's right here. Okay, first of all, you were supposed to fix the garage door yesterday between 3 and 5. You never showed. Then I was told by Robert, who wouldn't give me his last name or extension, that I would be the first appointment today. I waited in my house until 3:15. I almost missed my father's prison kickball game. You need to make this right!
Steve, you look terrible.
He's running himself ragged, being the man of the house.
Hey, Smith, let's play!
Get out there, Dad. Go have some fun.
The warden kicks first. You don't want to miss this.
How do you want it, warden?
Slow and bouncy and over the plate. But whatever you do, be good enough, because I know you're trying.
I hate you. We pull off this prank at the kickball game. There's no way they'll let us out early. No way they'll let us out early. No way they'll let us out early.
Are you sure? It looks okay? Yes, it looks really good. You got the ladybug beret in there.
It's terrible, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes! It's awful! It's so
Nothing I do now is going to fix my crummy childhood, but I don't want to wreck my son's. So vote how you have to today. I'm keeping my nose clean from here on out. I just hope it's not too late.
Beautiful, Mr. Smith. I think I speak for everyone when I say immediate release would be the best.
Not for everyone, Charlie. Not for everyone. Crocodile tears, Mr. Smith, and you're not fooling me. Now, if we let you out now, it ends in one of two ways. Complete rehabilitation, or you'll just get in trouble again. And I don't like those odds. Parole denied.
I'll kill you! You're a dead man! Ah!
See? Maniac. This is a good bagel. Probably because it's a donut. What are you doing after this?
Good luck now.
This is the place.
There he is! You owe me big, Mr. Hard Time. Who got you 2 more months of goofing around? I did is who? Get inside this hut!
Oh, welcome home, honey. It's good to have you back, Dad.
Where's my boy? Steve.
Who's there?
It's me, son. Put down those papers. Look out back.
What is it?
It's a slip and slide, son. And I want you to play on it. For as long as you want.